MACD candles V3 indicator is a trend following forex trading indicator. MACD candles V3 is a brilliant forex trading indicator which performance is above average. In the backtesting phase, this trend following the forex trading indicator won 76 trades out of 100. I believe it is a very high winning rate. Having a sound risk to reward ratio on every trade you take, this win rate is very good. As the wins and losses are distributed randomly, sometimes you might face constant losses, but you should not panic. Once you get a well-tested indicator like this one, you should believe in your strategy and indicator. Taking trades with discipline and achieving profit in long term is more important than short-term results. The MACD trend candles indicator identifies strong and weak trends and helps you to get quickly in and out trades. Light green candles represent strong bullish trends. Red candles represent strong bearish trends. Dark green and dark red candles represent a flat, ranging market. This indicator works well for all time frames and all currency pairs. Trading signals. Buy. Wait for a light green candle to appear on the chart. Sell. Wait for a red candle to appear on the chart. What does forex indicator mean? A forex indicator is a statistical tool that currency traders use to make judgments about the direction of a currency pair's price action. Forex indicators come in many types, including leading indicators, lagging indicators, confirming indicators, and so on. Popular forex indicators include moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and average true range, ATR. A forex trader must choose the indicators that fit his or her trading strategy. Moving average convergence/divergence, MACD, or MACD, is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two exponential moving averages, EMAs, of a security's price. The MACD line is calculated by subtracting the 26-period EMA from the 12-period EMA. The result of that calculation is the MACD line. A 9-day EMA of the MACD line is called the signal line, which is then plotted on top of the MACD line, which can function as a trigger for buy or sell signals. Traders may buy the security when the MACD line crosses above the signal line and sell or short the security when the MACD line crosses below the signal line. MACD indicators can be interpreted in several ways, but the more common methods are crossovers, divergences, and rapid rises/falls. Earning from MACD has a positive value, shown as the blue line in the lower chart, whenever the 12-period EMA, indicated by the red line on the price chart, is above the 26-period EMA, the blue line in the price chart, and a negative value when the 12-period EMA is below the 26-period EMA. The level of distance that MACD is above or below its baseline indicates that the distance between the two EMAs is growing. In the following chart, you can see how the two EMAs applied to the price chart correspond to the MACD, blue, crossing above or below its baseline, red dashed, in the indicator below the price chart. About MACD candles V3 indicator. MACD candles V3 indicator is actually attached with the candlestick bars. The green and red bar that you see in the main chart is the indicator you are looking at. You can see variations in colors: dark red, dark green, and normal green. Light green candles indicate highly bullish condition, while light red color indicates highly bearish condition. MACD candles V3 indicator. Sell parameters. Currency pair should be downtrending. Currency pair should be falling from the recent resistance level. MACD candles V3 indicator should be red. Execute your sell position when above conditions are met. Set your stop loss above the recent swing high. Take your profit when candlesticks turn green. MACD is often displayed with a histogram, see the chart below, that graphs the distance between MACD and its signal line. If MACD is above the signal line, the histogram will be above the MACD's baseline, or zero line. If MACD is below its signal line, the histogram will be below the MACD's baseline. Traders use the MACD's histogram to identify when bullish or bearish momentum is high and possibly overbought/oversold. MACD candles V3 indicator. Buy parameters. Currency pair should